Children are one of the biggest reasons ice cream trucks make strong sales during summer. When the truck pulls into a neighborhood, the sound of cheerful music grabs their attention right away. Kids run outside with coins in hand, eager to pick their favorite flavor. For many, it is not just about ice cream but the excitement of the moment. The truck becomes a small event in their day. Parents often give in, seeing it as a simple way to make their children happy. This steady demand builds a strong customer base. The connection between children and ice cream is powerful because it ties into joy, fun, and memory. Each cone or popsicle sold is part of an experience kids do not forget easily. The same customers come back again and again, sometimes bringing friends.